So I work with a lot of schools in Utah, actually. And what we've seen in some of those states and in South Carolina and North Carolina as well is that a lot of the schools don't have Black teachers.
Reaction pouring in after a watershed ruling by the Supreme Court today.
In a 6-3 decision, the court struck down affirmative action in college admissions.
This is, of course, a significant move and will mean colleges and universities will no longer be allowed to use race when evaluating admissions. Tia Ewing has the story.
In its ruling, the Supreme Court determined that race-conscious admissions violates the Equal Protection Clause under the U.S. Constitution.
It's been a difficult day today. Absolutely. I have shed a few tears.
Sky Alex Jackson is reacting to the landmark Supreme Court ruling effectively eliminating affirmative action on college campuses.
And I've gotten emotional because I don't know what the future will hold for other students that I have been trying to support through my organization.
Jackson is a Chicagoan and granddaughter of Reverend Jesse Jackson Jr. She attends Brown University and is the founder of the National Black Student Alliance, helping Black students navigate predominantly white universities.
Critics are saying you're either qualified or not, and why does race even matter? What's your response to that?
Race matters because we would like to see color affirmed. Affirmative action is there to support students.
In the majority opinion, Chief Justice John Roberts wrote, university programs must comply with strict scrutiny. They may never use race as a stereotype or negative, and at some point they must end. President Biden addressing the nation vowing, quote, swift action to support diversity in higher education, saying this can't be the last word.
What I propose for consideration is a new standard, where colleges take into account the adversity a student has overcome when selecting among qualified applicants.
I think what's left that's unclear for me, though, Tia, is that the majority is saying you can take race into account if it's part of a student's essay where they discuss how their race is part of their character.
And here in the state of Illinois, J.B. Pritzker, the governor, is reacting to this decision, saying that he's committed to, quote, expanding access through record levels of funding for higher education institutions and our MAP grant program so that every student has the opportunity to earn a degree. Tia Ewing, Fox 32, Chicago.